Before we get into today's project, which will be a Blacksmiths Flatter, I just wanted to give a quick update as to why I haven't been uploading recently and what's happening with the backyard blacksmithing series. I've really been wanting to continue on with the backyard blacksmithing series, but due to work commitments and the weather, it's just not been possible lately. I have, however, been able to get in and get a few projects happening. I would like to start doing a few more tong videos, and as usual, I'll be looking at taking some shortcuts and some quick easy tongs for beginners to build. So a lot of what I've been doing lately would come under the category of making tools to make tools. So this should not only help to improve the quality of my work, but also my productivity. And the other big news for the channel is that I've recently purchased a 3-in-1 welder. So you'll be seeing me use the MIG on that later in this video. I'm going to leave this one fairly bare bones today, as it's self-explanatory. But before you go, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.